Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make job application form using your Google Forms. Now, this is a simple, easy peasy step and I will take you straight through it in no time. The first thing you want to do is ensure that you're properly signed in to your Google Forms, and you can achieve that by heading to your web browser, typing in Google Forms, and then it will take you straight up to this page. So this page is what we call the dashboard of the Google Forms. You can achieve your Google Forms by also heading to your Google Drive, and you will also achieve your Google Forms from there. Now let's head straight into this video. In this video, I want to show you how to make job application forms using your Google Forms. So the first thing you want to do is click on the blank form over here for us to create a new template for our job application. So when we click on that, the next thing we want to do is retitle this name. All right, we want to give our form a new name, so we just highlight that highlight that quickly and then tag it job application. In a few minutes we'll change the name of our form. All right, so we are tagging the name of this particular form as job application. Having done that, we'll create a job description. What do we want this form to be known as? So we'll just fill in the job description of this particular form and then begin to type in the questions for the job that we want to create. After you filled in this first session, you can head over to this drop down menu over here and click on the equation sign. When you click on that, it will create several other description boxes that you can use to fill in the questions you want for your job application form. You can fill in as many sections as you want. You can also decide to add pictures to your job application form. So you head over to the corner over here and then click on add picture, and then you can go to Google Images and pick the particular picture you want to be added to your job application. Let's say one of the questions wants you to describe what a whale is or whatever your recruiter wants. So you just add a particular picture to that and then click on insert, and that picture will be added. You can decide to add a video for your job applicants to watch and answer other questions. So let's say we want to add a video to this particular field, right? You head over to YouTube, and then let's say we want something about childcare. We'll click on enter a video that speaks of that. Will come up, and then you just pick your preferred video, click on insert over here, and that video will be added. You can go ahead to do a world of things you want for your job application form. You can also decide to work on the color to what you want it to appear as. So you can head over here to work on the theme. Let's say I want it to be green. So I'll just pick that. As you can see, the difference has been reflected. What do I want the background to look like? I will change that, and I can also change the theme. So this is how you can create a job application form on Google Form. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye for now.